I'm Elaine, her mom.
I'm Roger.
And welcome back to our channel.
Yeah, welcome back to Amber's channel.
Okay, so today I just thought it would be fun because we're just trying to find stuff to do. So we're making videos. And I came up with this idea to do a roasting challenge.
One thing though, I need you two to move back just a little bit. It's so close that I'm having to literally scrunch. Much better.
She's a scrunchie.
Okay, so yeah, Mom, my cameraman,
Person.
cameraman.
I'm the camera mom.
Yeah, my camera mom will be voting on who does the better roast, and she'll keep track of the points on a paper or in her mind or whatever.
And they will be clean.
Yes, they will be clean. Roger, keep them clean. Knowing that I'm 10 and I've heard him the most, and he's old, so he doesn't really know anything. I'll probably win. I'll probably win because he just like sucks. So, yeah. Hang on, I gotta check my front door.
It's locked.
Okay, I thought somebody throwing stuff at the door and knocking on the door. Okay,
That's what you
So-
for thinking. Oh.
so that's what we're gonna do today. And here we go. Yeah, I know, I'm wearing the same thing of the last video, but this one decided to go change his beautiful dress and take off his earrings and take down his hair.
Yeah.
Okay,
That
Who
was
do you
a little
wanna
bit
start?
That was a little too tight in my chest.
who do you want to start?
It's up to you.
Yeah, oh yeah, and I put my mom's dress on him. Okay, these are too sweaty, so I'm taking
Ooh!
them
God, those smell so bad they could choke a maggot.
Take it off. Thank you.
I've smelled sewers that smelled better.
Okay, so who do you want to start? It's your choice.
It's up to
You're
you.
the judge.
It's up to you.
I want to see
No,
how.
I'm not a car.
You do the first roast.
What, roast chicken or? Your breath smells so bad it could choke a maggot.
Okay. You're so old. You're older than the person who came up with dirt.
I know, I helped create it.
You're not supposed to agree to him. This dummy don't
Your
know
teeth
nothing.
are so big you can open bottles.
Guess what? Your teeth are so yellow they look like SpongeBob.
She's a little too good at this.
Who has the most points already?
Your hair's so nappy, it looked like you washed somebody's car with it.
Oh, you want to talk about hair now?
Hey,
At least I'm not so old. I've lost half of it and it's gray.
True.
Who's winning? Your turn. So who's won the
When people
first?
see you coming up, they pull in the welcome sign.
That's on you.
When people see you coming, they go running the other way.
You're so ugly. Even Hello Kitty said goodbye.
You smell so bad, can't even get a dog to play with you.
Wow, that's how old you are. You can't even come up with one without stuttering.
Sometimes.
Hmm.
Yeah, mama dressed.
Yeah, shush. It's my turn.
Yeah, mama dressed.
And it has to be about me.
Oh. It is about you.
Beat down.
You're the one dressed funny.
I can't come up with a good enough one.
You walk
There's
so hard
many
it sounds.
roasts. There's
You
so
walk
many
so
things
hard
I
it
could
sounds
say
like
about them.
Clydesdales.
Wow, that's your best one?
Nope.
You know how fat you are? You're so fat when you sat down, you were bigger than the earth. You were bigger than the universe. Literally.
You're supposed to sit in a corn slot.
Oh, thank you. That's a compliment, not a roast.
Oh boy.
You so ugly. You so ugly. Gotta tie a pork chop around your neck to get the dog to play with you.
You're so stupid when you saw a yellow bus go by with a bunch of white kids in it. You went, ooh, Twinkie!
You're so retarded. We gotta put a helmet on you to keep you from licking the windows.
Helmets are on the top of your head, not your face.
A football helmet with face mask. Pooping yourself?
You're so retarded that when you drink coffee, instead of putting creamer in it, you put coffee grounds in it. And that's also how old you are, because you've forgotten how to make coffee.
You're so retarded. You looked in the cat box and thought, "Oh, Twix!"
You're so bad at roasting, even a baby could roast you. Ooh, I got a good one.
Your nose is so big, the Canadian ski slope team skis off of it.
Boy, look at yours! Wait, I forgot it.
Your forehead's
You're
so
so
big
ugly,
it
you're
could be
even-
used as a basketball.
I don't
hoop.
have a forehead, I have a 5-head, so learn your facts.
5-head.
You're so,
So it's even bigger
you're so
than a
ugly.
forehead.
You're so ugly, you're uglier than Michael.
That's not possible.
Yeah, it is. If that's alive.
You got enough wax in your ear to light a candle.
That has enough wax on it. At least I clean mine.
You gotta be smarter than the door.
Turn on your music!
Get your dress out your butt.
And yes, she has shorts on.
So
You're so retarded you like to wear your shoes on the wrong feet.
Guess what?
What?
At least I'm
I
not
got
retarded
socks.
enough to dirty socks just walk around the house.
But they're the socks I've been wearing all day.
Still.
already dirty.
Still.
Hey, no, you'd rather throw dirt all over me. Big pen.
At least I'm smart enough to pass 5th grade.
Yeah, I've already been past that one. I was
Yeah,
out of
but
school.
now you're retarded.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Yeah, he passed that one when Methuselah was in school.
He passed that one when God was in school. He passed high school when God was in school.
Me and him helped create this place.
No. You're older than that universe. Than this universe.
We made Big Bang Theory. So retarded you don't know how to draw inside a line.
You want to say I'm so retarded I can't draw inside a line? How about you color something? How about you draw something? Bet y'all win.
You thought?
Watch. My next video, I'm going to do a drawing contest between me and you. And Mom's going to be the judge. Watch me.
I can't draw.
Exactly. But you want to say I'm so retarded I can't even draw inside the lines. I can't even color inside the lines.
Yeah, there's a difference between drawing and coloring.
You said drawing.
You're
inside
so
the-
retarded you don't know the difference between coloring and drawing.
You said drawing inside the line.
What were you?
Idiot.
What were you,
It's
bounced
coloring
off
inside. What? Were you born sideways?
Did you jump into a
Were
ceiling
you born
fan?
sideways to where you fell out and you cracked your head open and your brain just fell out? And
No,
you
that was the tree I swung into, thank you.
So you cracked your head open so far.
Nope.
He cracked his head open that wide. That wide. And his little tiny brain fell out. And then it just
You sat
went
down
back
so
like that.
hard you gave yourself brain damage.
His brain was the acorn that fell off the tree.
Yep. Guess what? I'm retarded. I'm retarded. That's why I'm on 8th grade reading level.
You're out of school.
Guess what? I bet you can't even remember the math that I'm doing right now.
Guess what? I bet you couldn't understand anything I'm doing right now.
Bet you I couldn't.
Exactly.
I don't know nothing about that. I haven't been to college and I haven't been in high
I
school.
haven't been to college yet either.
Boy! As soon as I get out of high school, if I have no money, I'm going to college. Idiot.
Of course you're going.
Because I'm smart and I'll make it.
You have no ands, ifs, or buts about it.
I'm just stupid.
Whether I gotta...
I don't want the ugliness to rub off on me.
Okay, but now you're not in the video.
Yeah, no.
You so ugly, you scare Medusa.
Guess what? Guess what?
You so
You're
funny
so
looking, you
ugly.
made her snake
You're
run
so
away.
ugly. You know how One Direction only goes one way, forward? You made them go backwards. They went forward in their music career, and you were so ugly that you made them fail and go backwards in their music career.
I did not understand
Bam!
that one.
Exactly,
That
because
was
you're
like-
retarded. You're retarded,
That
so you
was like-
can't know anything.
That was like Charlie Brown's teacher.
That's you. No.
You so slow, a turtle beat you.
You're so slow, a piece of sand beat you.
You so slow, a snail run circle around you.
You're so slow. You're so slow. You're slower than a house can be built. A mansion can be built. Because you know mine are better. At least I'm smart enough to do my hair before I leave the house and not just leave it down, making me look old like you. And at least I have enough hair to put it up.
So do I.
Oh,
I think I got
guess
almost
what?
more hair than you.
Maybe
Ow!
not. You see how skinny that is? You see how thin that
Quit
is?
pulling my hair!
Look how thick this
Dude,
is.
see that? See
I'm used to it. Okay, I'm done not even trying to roast this guy. He has to try as hard as he can to try to roast me. So who won?
I would say Amber won.
In your face! Okay, if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe.